The true equivalence point requires 20 ml of the acid. Therefore, adding exactly 10 ml corresponds to the exact half neutralization point. At this specific half equivalence point, half of the weak base has been neutralized to form its conjugate acid salt, meaning BOH equals B to the power plus. According to the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for basic buffers, pOH equals pKb plus log salt over base. Since the ratio is 1, log 1 equals 0, directly yielding pOH equals pKb. The measured pH is 9.0, meaning the pOH equals 14.0 to 9.0 equals 5.0. Thus, pKb equals 5. The answer is 5.